It's an exam question on plant transport, and it says movement in phloem occurs between sources and sinks. Use examples, so we've got to give examples of regions in the plant to explain the meaning of these terms. So we've got to give examples and meaning of each of those two terms, both a source and a sink. So we'll start off with a source. A source is where, for example, glucose is made. So it could be a leaf of photosynthesizing plant, all right, or it could be where glucose is stored. So, for example, a germinating seed, and both of the glucose then will be loaded into phloem. All right, so a source is where there's loading into phloem. So, e.g., as we said before, it can be a leaf or a germinating seed, where it'll be converting starch into glucose for then transport around the plant. Second thing we're going to talk about is a sink. So a sink is where, for example, glucose is used. Or respired. Or stored. So this is where unloading from phloem occurs. So examples is the production of seeds. It could be the root cells. It could be fruit. It could be flour. Any of those parts will be acceptable for an example of a sink. So to get the mark, you'd need the definition and a source, and that'd be 1 mark for that, or a definition and an example of a sink, 2 marks.